What is going on, everybody? Chlorine King here. Thanks for tuning in for another travel talk. Now, this video is geared towards those of you that are on the fence of subscribing to Skimmer and using their software. They released a new upgrade that really takes their software up to the top as far as the ability to make yourself a preventative company and communicate very, very well with your clients. Now, when I first talked to Ron, the original developer for Skimmer, many years ago, he only allowed one photo. And then when he was bought out by the current owners, and my timeline might be off, my memory's terrible, but I believe when they were bought out, he was bought out, they upgraded to 5 photos, which was extremely helpful. But in some cases, it still wasn't enough. Let's show you an example. We have a pool spa combo, and right off the bat, 3 of those 5 photos are taken with my company. We do a picture of the clean pool, we do a picture of the clean spa, and we do a picture of the equipment pad. Now, if they had a leaky O-ring, the technician cleaned the filter, and they needed a picture of the gate closed because there's dogs or whatnot, well, now we have to leave one of those other 3 out. So what do? You know, so it's one of those situations where you can't really show everything you're doing, and then also at the same time, if you choose to leave out the gate picture, well, now you can't have a solid defense if the client blames you for leaving the gate open. So what Skimmer did is they upgraded their photos to 10 photos, which just, again, like I said, takes them up to the very top, in my opinion, of softwares out there, because now you're able to protect yourself from liabilities like a open gate. You're able to communicate very well with the client, and at the same time show the client that you are going through everything and you are preventative service. So let's do a worst case scenario. We got a pool spa combo, we have a baby gate, we got dogs out in the yard, we have a cartridge that needs to be cleaned, and we have a leaky pump O-ring. And then on top of that, let's throw in a failed flow switch for a salt system. Well, let's go through the pictures. We need one for the pool, one for the spa, one for the baby gate, one for the fence gate closed, another one for the cartridge cleaned, another one for the pump lid O-ring, another one for the flow switch, and I forget what the other one was, but it's another photo. So we got 8 photos there that we wouldn't previously be able to do, that now we can. And so the client gets all these pictures and knows, hey, this company's on top of their stuff, they're preventative, I can't argue with them that my dogs got out because of them, because they sent a picture of the gate closed. So having the ability to have so many pictures really protects you, and again, just communicates things very well with the client, because they say a picture's worth 1,000 words, and pictures are much easier for the clients to digest versus, you know, reading it somewhere in the report. So if you guys are on the fence about using the Skimmer software, definitely take a solid look at it now, because I think there's not another software out there that offers as many pictures. Now, disclaimer, I haven't reviewed any recent softwares that have come out in the last couple of years, because I've been such a huge advocate for Skimmer. It's been fantastic for the company, but it's definitely way more than the majority of the softwares out there. So hopefully this helps, and if you guys want, I have a discount link below on how to get a discount for a couple months and all that fun stuff off software Skimmer to give it a try. So stay tuned for more videos, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next video. Have a great day.